This machine I was talking about, you see this one is lit. Now I have to do some work tomorrow on it. Okay, it's very easy to design. Just have to do modification to hold the lugs from this side instead of this, and have to screw this one. I don't have one. And this table, see the one I designed, the bottom one, you can make it a little bit lower. For me, I can change it. Just took this one bottom, I put them the top, I put them on the bottom. So straight away I can hire the and this one from this side too. I have to grab some nuts tomorrow. I don't have enough, so I hold it like this just to shake it. And I did a little bit here, you see, because I don't have the support, so I can't do much. So tomorrow I will do that. And yeah, if I stand it up, it will be the stand up. 1 second. Oops, this way. You see it? Still the same machine. I didn't move anything. Just I add this little table at the bottom. If you interested, just text me. I will make one for you. Not for free though. And that will be tomorrow though. Can't do it now. I'm gonna do them opposite. This is the machine I was talking about. It's the lathe. I'm using one hand, that's why I can't see the anyway, you get my idea here. And if you stand it up, it will be a drill. I didn't even move the piece. Okay, now this is my project. See from yeah, that's how it is. You can make it slower. From here, you open this one, change the machine radius. I mean the chain radius, sorry. And then yeah, like that. Thumbs up for me though. Yes.